Hiya, welcome to my channel. I've done all the accessories on top, the canoe. If I turn it round, it's all tied down on the back. I've done on the sides an axe, spotlights, winch, loads of accessories. So what I'm going to do is, a lot of people have been saying to me, can they have the STL or have the model? So I've done a breakdown on how much this is going to cost. If you just want the STL, the truck itself without the accessories, it's going to be £20, which is like about $25 I think, something like that in today's money. If you want the accessories with the truck, it's going to be £40. Not painted, it's just going to be all one colour, which will be this colour. It's like a light grey bluey colour. And if you want it painted, I'll put another tenner on, so it's going to be £50 as it is, the whole body with everything on it. Now a couple of people asked me if I could actually print this and paint it and do all the accessories on it. So if that's the case, then it's going to be £60, which is a pretty good deal actually. So a little run round here and let's see how she runs. So let's turn it on and right then, it's put it on the floor. I don't think you might not hear me. Whoa, she's fast. Can't really go anywhere. Whoa. Stole it. So a little run round yard. It's not very big, to see if she works, and she does. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later.